Hi guys, so in this video we'll see how you can reset your WordPress website in just a few seconds. Alright, so let me show you what my website looks right now. So I have this demo template imported, but what it did was imported all the pages and everything, the media, etc. You'll see here all the media that is being used on the front, and then a few posts and a home page. So this is all in the WordPress blog editor, and then the Astra theme, and a few plugins called Spectra and the starter templates, and then the WP fonts, right? But what if I want to reset back to the very default of WordPress? So what you can do is click on add new plugin and then search for WordPress reset. For this advanced WordPress reset, it's a very simple plugin. Click on install and hit activate. And then once downloaded and activated this plugin, look for in the tools advanced WP reset menu, and at the very bottom enter reset and then hit reset database and then continue. So what we'll do is it will take us back to the very default installation we had. So it will turn it into a default installation. All right, as you can see here, everything is deactivated, plus the media that was imported is now gone, and the post is back to the default, and the homepage, if you'll go, this is what the default homepage was. Though the themes and the plugins will be deactivated but will be kept. So if you want to remove them as well, you can manually do so. So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good one.